Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. You are greatly appreciated. So now let's head over to Linux VM to start. The first is to choose the bug or the module. What we are going to do in this video. This would be weak password hack. Of course, we can use the way what we used in the previous video. For example, we can use Python, we can use bWAPP, we can use Hydra, and so on and so forth to make brute force. But weak passwords are sometimes are easier to break. We can try to use the common weak password like admin and admin to log in. It doesn't work. And we can use test and test login. And we can use test and test 1, 2, 3 login. It doesn't work. Oh, sorry. I need to set the level to low. And we can try it again, admin, login. It doesn't work. How about the test and the test login? It does work. So very easy, right? And in the real engagement, we need to, use Google to make some research. Different applications has different weak passwords or default passwords or credentials. Okay, so now we can change the level to medium. Very similar. I assume that the username is test as well. Test and the test login doesn't work. So how about the test and the test 1, 2, 3? Very common weak passwords, and it does work. Okay, so next we can try to escalate secret level to high, and we can use the same username, and the test doesn't work. So how about the test 1, 2, 3? It doesn't work. And we can capitalize the password test 1, 2, 3 login. It works. Of course, if this or the weak passwords you can think of doesn't work, you can utilize the brute force way to break into the application. And you can use different word lists for username and password. For example, we can use like user share word list and John. This is a list. And also sometimes we can utilize a bigger word list, which is sec lists. So, we can use user share sec lists. And here, the more dictionary or word list for password. For example, like, common credentials, and then you can get more word lists, okay? And you can use Python to automate this process. So if this word list doesn't work, and then we can try the next word list, okay? Of course, this will take a very long time depending on the complexity of password. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.